Yeah, Bharti, you had some question?
No, Shiv, it was not me.
So this gives 130K again in current. Another example, not here, not here, here. Okay, manager and interactive or web or full stack or full stack or full stack or front end or front end or UI or UI. So front end manager we can definitely give, UI manager we can definitely give, but giving something like this would definitely increase. So manager and interactive or web or anything. Anyways, we'll come to this example only so that it will be a little easier for us. I'll just take a pause. Any confusion, any doubt? Still, we feel it's, I know it's kind of a little confusing, but we just need to understand that bucketizing part of it. That's where the actual, we would have understand the actual Boolean in Boolean.
True, Shiv.
Otherwise, absolutely, the searches wouldn't work at all. You also worked from years on Recruiter, right? In Monster also it will work. In Google, we just seen of some of the examples, are very simple examples to see. Like this. Instead of writing all this, I would write just this one liner instead of keeping all this, which makes a Boolean a pretty lengthy, and we might exhaust that 32 keywords, but wherein writing 10 liners code in one liner is just that simple.
Shiv, can I say anyone from this group use Naukri? Who are current participants? Do they like you? Do you have any idea like whether this works in Naukri or not?
Naukri, no, Sharma. Past
Okay.
I worked because that's what I mentioned. Naukri has its own Boolean understanding. That's Naukri is
Okay.
not a heavy Boolean, but maybe now. But I think if someone has a license, please feel free to share tomorrow, and then we'll recover on Naukri and Monster. On Monster, it definitely works. Monster, Career Builder, Dice,
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
Dice. Career Builder and Monster
Monster.
are Boolean strong, are Boolean friendly.
Monster, it works because I have seen this first time in Monster only. Bucket in bucket means bracket in bracket. So Monster works. I don't recently, but it used to work in Monster.
It works. I've been using this. I've been using.
Shiv, I have one doubt.
Hmm.
I know it always comes with practice. But any tricks you want to share when to do the bucketizing?
No, just see if it just following the logic. There is no other trick. Just follow the logic.
No, Shiv, the thing is like sometimes we do this quadratic equation, right? So like we are making a equation like x square minus 5x plus 6, right? So we always try to find out factors. Okay, 3 into 2 it's coming. So when we do 3 plus 2 it will give 5. So sometimes all these tricks works. Any tricks which can help us to do this bucketizing?
Well, let me find it out. Maybe in tomorrow's call I'll be able to share.
Just a little, because we need that kind of a hint which will help us to bucketize those things.
Got it. Because I've been thinking logically, and that mathematically I did not thought ever. Okay, fine. If I have a 3 brackets, I would start with 3 brackets. I did that and I failed. So
okay.
To answer it, I gone with the assumptions when I was trying to do this in the early 2012 something, when I was in a US hiring while I was at Infosys. I was trying to do this and everyone was laughing on me. I did fail by doing all that, but yeah, finally I figured it out.
Okay.
So that time I was using Monster. That's the reason I can tell strongly that it works with Monster pretty well.
Okay. And for today's strings which you have shown, if you can share it in the notepad, Google sheet, so we can practice a little and come up with questions.
Sure. So I would not go with this call center or anything. Let me just
no with the
some of the engineering there are some of the easy searches. These searches.
And please do share this recording whenever.
Recording I'll share tonight. I'll try to sit and upload because I think number of recordings gone for today.
So I have a suggestion. Why you can keep this link, recording link on this Google Doc also, right? So that anyone they can pick from there also.
Good one.
It's better if we upload in YouTube, like many of the followers can see. Like we only can see. If
So
we
the
just-
same link she's asking, that's a good idea. I think we'll implement that as well.
Sib, can you
Okay.
please share me the doc link as well in the chat, please? I
So
just
because
missed
people
it.
keep asking, right, to link and all. So if everyone has this date, right, Google, everyone has it. They can refer from there if someone want to refer.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Namrata.
That was my.
I like. No, that's a good idea, in fact. So yeah, I know it's kind of a confusing, but still wanted to ask, is it clear or little confusing, or would you need some time to
No.
practice?
Not to अब ऊपर रुक से जा कल करते हैं.
When you are making us understand, Shiv, we are understanding. But when you are, one guy told, right, when you are making the string long, and then when the bucketizing part comes, it's little confusing. Not little, I mean, I would
Yes,
rather say it is complex.
No.
So what I
definitely
understood-
I agree. This would come from the practice. Even for the other things which are shown, I myself spent a couple of hours to do that. But definitely, you seen where 21K, where 500K, that are still worth is what I wanted to tell.
Yeah.
Because you have lively seen the results, right? Where we
Right.
had it's 10x actually, in fact.
Actually, I got the concept, but not the logic, like why I put it. 70% I'm clear, but still 25% logic I'm not getting. So because sometimes we are putting
Just
an
to keep
inter.
it simple,
Yeah.
just to keep it simple, in double quotes, if I write talent acquisition, sourcing specialist, recruiter, okay, or talent recruiter, only 4. This is targeting only those 4 the particular title. But if we keep that, segregate that kind of a words where people might write recruiter in title and acquisition somewhere, recruiter from acquisition, something like that. There might be hundreds ways of writing it. We don't know. Something like this in this example: engineering manager, SDM, software development manager, senior SDM, senior manager software, tech manager, technology manager, software. That's the to the point version of it. But when we take a combination of manager and tech or technical or technology or software or development or engineer, so these words, engineer, senior engineering manager, manager software engineer, manager development engineering, manager tech engineering, manager technology engineering, technical manager engineering, software manager engineering, development manager engineering, engineering software manager, engineering technology manager, engineering tech manager, engineering technical manager. So all those combinations, it's taking all those very combination, wherein this search is only taking 4 to 5 combination, wherein this search is taking some hundreds of combinations. Manager with a combination of all this, and in between these 2 words, it's again not taking manager tech as it is. In between manager and tech, there might be some other word also. It's taking combination of that. In between manager and technical, there might be some other word also. It's taking combination of that. In between manager and technology, there might be some other word also. It's taking combination of that. In between manager and software, there might be some other word. It's taking combination of that. It's taking various combination. It's pretty much open-ended searches. It's expanding our search like anything. But wherein, though these are the right searches, though these are the right title, but this is sticking to the same. But wherein this is completely expanding our search, this one. Hema Swarup, yeah, permutation and combination. Absolutely. So instead of just as it is, engineering manager or SDM or software development manager, this might give me a very limited result. But wherein when we go with this set, it goes with all the various permutation combinations. And again, these sets are not within the double quotes, so that it gives only manager tech or manager technical or manager technology or manager software or manager development or manager engineering. No, it's taking in title manager, and the tech or technical or technology or software or development or engineer could be anywhere. And people might write in 100 different ways, something like this: engineering manager, technical account manager, manager hyphen engineering, lead technical program management, technical program manager, manager business development, manager.
In Shiv, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Somebody told permutation and combination. In permutation combination also you have a formula, but here we absolutely have to conjure what can be the A. So that is the trickiest part here, what I feel.
Yeah, just see. And that's the reason in this example, when I see, okay, some of the irrelevant are coming, then what are those irrelevant in the title? I do not want phone. I do not want iOS, not Android, not SDET, or not QA, not QE, not support, not quality assurance, not site reliability, not testing, not ETL, not data, not automation, not DevOps. Whatever the possibilities which I don't want, that will keep it in not. But whatever the possibilities which we want, we keep this in a bracket and this expands the search like anything. So much confusion, huh?
So you're now hungry.
Huh? Let's take this.
ऊपर से पार हो रहा है.
Hats off to Shiv's patience. It's 3 hours now.
He can go 2 more hours. He can go 2 more hours.
वो बोलते हैं ना सबको, वो हम लोग वो नॉर्मल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से पिटा पिटा के हम लोग का आईआईटी जैसा थिंकिंग ला रहे हैं. That's the thing Shiv is trying to do.
And who will have this much of patience to explain, man? I mean,
Right, absolutely.
No, actually, he knows the logic, right? Knows the logic. Also, for him, it's explaining. He know the concept, and for us, we are trying to understand the concept. We are taking more extra energy.
True. No, even people who are having the knowledge, no, to explain it is a very different thing, and it's not easy to explain so many times. I kept thinking again and again.
घर में तो कोई 2 बार ज्यादा बोल देता है, अरे तुमको समझ में क्यों नहीं आता है, ऐसे बोल के तो आप पूछना ही छोड़ दोगे.
Please wait.
Very true.
And just leave that thing. Okay, still confused, right? We'll again cover tomorrow. Just try to have that practice first.
Thanks, you said that all level. अभी मुझे क्या नहीं आ रही है.
Huh?
I'm saying it's already 11. I know I'm missing your money.
No, I'll order today. No problem. All right. I know. Sir के ऊपर से क्या, but practice.
I got the cover. 75 I got it. Not that, but 80% I got it.
Practice. Satish, Sharma, Shri, Ravi.
No, sir, it's good. Simply practice. We have to make the practice of these things, and probably it will give us the fruitful result.
Yeah, because your results will expand.
True.
Just try doing that.
True.
The live results.
What I just throw, what you do, you take call center 1 from this, software programmer from the another bracket, and software and what is that? Member, right? 3 or 3. So one word, and then shows the search bar, not the writing all 100, right? And we can see how to keep bracket is working, right, in real time. When we are keeping 1 bracket, then keeping 2 bracket, how the result is changing. So that would be
Bracketizing is important. Yeah, we'll see.
that was the problem. Only I think everyone is confused where to put second bracket. Others, I think other things are clear for everyone, I believe. Only the problem where to put this, from where to start and where to end the second bracket. That's the confusion.
Got it. Fine, then I got it. I got it clearly where the problem is in understanding. Let me give
other things
Let me give more simpler
Is
example.
or and all, everything is clear. Only the
No, I got it. Where the
Hmm.
actual confusion of the problem is. Let me try to give more simpler example, a real lifetime example like biryani and all. I think with that example, we'll be able to understand. I'll do that. Yeah, I'm going to do that tomorrow. We'll go for biryani
because
example.
that's the only confusion. Otherwise everything is clear. I believe for all, right? Because and or what you call, quotation and all, everyone knows. I believe. वो दूसरा ब्रैकेट कहाँ रखना है कहाँ हटाना है, that was the only confusion.
Got it.
If we are keeping a 3 bracket, why 3, why not 1, why 2? That's the confusion.
Got it. No worries. We'll cover that tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Shiv.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye. Good night.
We'll set tomorrow. Okay.
Next.
Bye.